First line. International Biodiesel Day is observed every year on August 10th. Second line. It celebrates the importance of biodiesel as a clean and renewable fuel. Third line. Biodiesel is made from vegetable oils, animal fats, and recycled cooking oil. Fourth line. It helps reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Fifth line. Biodiesel is an eco-friendly alternative to diesel fuel. Sixth line. It supports sustainable energy and protects the environment. Seventh line. Using biodiesel helps reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Eighth line. The day also spreads awareness about renewable energy sources. Ninth line. Everyone can support a cleaner future by promoting green fuels. Tenth line. International Biodiesel Day reminds us to protect our planet through sustainable energy.